This is the base of the 550-ton injection molding machine. Let's check the power system of this machine. This is the first servo motor. The power is 50.2 kilowatt. This is a gear pump from USA. And this is the second servo motor. The power is 21 kilowatt, working with the first gear pump. So the total power is 71.5 kilowatt. It's very powerful. Okay. Let's check the clamping unit of the 550 ton. This is the injection unit we use. We can check this. The first fixed planting is very durable and very thick. And the tie bar we use is very big and very durable and strong. We can check here. The mobile platen is very strong and well designed for the very strong strength hydraulic force. The lens here we designed is for protecting the mobile platen and the tie bar. If we are using a small size mold here, under a very strong clamping force, it will curve a little here and give a strength, give a pressure here to the tie bar. So if we make the distance here bigger, it will protect the tie bar under some special situation. This is a very important part for long time using of the machine. And we can see the third platen is also very thick and strong. And we can check from this hole the thickness of the third platen of the clamping unit. Okay, let's check the machine, finish the machine. 550 ton, already tested. And these two machines will be loaded soon. We can check the PLC we use. It's Tech 1S Tech machine from Taiwan. This is an SSR for the heaters. The switches we use is all Schneider from France. These are two servo drivers for the two servo motors module. This is a 22 kilowatt, and this is 55 kilowatt. Totally 77 kilowatt servo driver for servo motor. It's a very strong output for this 550 ton injection molding machine. Here we can see that the valve we use is Tokyo Kiki from Japan. And this is a proportional valve for back pressure, digital back pressure control. It's Norseman from Taiwan. That's a machine ready for shipment.